This 2022 Shadow Cruiser 239 RBS is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll notice your theater seating with a detachable table. Across from this is your kitchen. Here you have a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. To the left, you'll find your entertainment center with a flat-screen TV, a multimedia head unit, and a control panel with switches for your lights, slides, and other miscellaneous RV functions. In the master bedroom, you'll find a king-size sliding bed. And right outside, next to the entrance, is a large walk-in pantry. Returning outside, you'll see 2 exterior speakers and an exterior kitchen. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.